On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method that I'm about to show you is one of the best methods that you can use to make money as a complete beginner with CPA marketing. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPAGrip accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to find offers that you can promote to make money on this platform. So first of all, you have to select a country where you have a traffic source so that you can get people to complete the offers for you to make money. In this case, we are going to search for the United States. So just click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to type United States. Just type US. Once you type that, just click on it. Once you search for the United States, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote to people in the United States for them to complete the offers for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see this offer right here. Enter for a $500 cash app gift card. So if you promote it and you get people to enter their email and zip code, you are going to be earning $3.42. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $2.06. You can see this offer right here. Potential visitor is going to stand the chance of winning $500 cash app gift card if they enter their email and zip code. Once they do so, you are going to be paid. So CPA offers, you don't need any sales, you only need people to enter their details for you to make the money. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to promote one of these offers. So you are going to select any of the offers that you want to promote so that you can get people to enter their details for you to make money. You can see the offers are many, so you have to look for an offer that will pay you higher amount anytime you get a lead. You can see this offer right here, get your cash app gift card now. So if you want, you can promote this one. If you want, you can promote the second one. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. So just click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is your affiliate link, and you can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed in the United States, and you can see right here the offer is allowed on desktop. You can see it right here. This is the payout, and you can see this is the description of the offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people in the United States to enter their details so that you can be making money. You can see the requirement is just email and zip codes. So once you get people in the United States to enter those details, you are going to be making money. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, galaxy.com. This website allows you to advertise your affiliate links. If you want to target any country, you can do that on this platform. And the best part is that the cost per click is very low. So this is one of the best platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate links. To promote your affiliate links, you have to create an account. So just come right here, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select as an advertiser. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to enter your details. You can see your email address, first name, second name, and the rest. So just enter all the details that are required. Once you enter the details, you are going to click right here, register, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see everything is 00. You can see, so you have to deposit money so that you can begin using the platform to advertise your links. You can use all these payment methods to deposit money into your account. So if you want, you can use your MasterCard, you can use your web money, you can use Visa card to deposit money into your accounts. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to demonstrate to you step by step on how to use this platform so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link. To create a campaign, just come right here, click on campaigns. Once you click on campaign, you can see right here status, just click on it. Once you click on it, select running. Once you select that, you are going to give a name to your campaign. So just type any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type CPA offer, something like this. Once you have the name of your campaign, you are going to select the ad format. In this case, I'm going to select push notification. Once that is done, you're going to select the business model. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to select cost per click. You want to pay per every click that you get. So just select that. Once that is done, you're going to click right here, create. Once you click on create, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, accept. Once that is done, you can see main information. So just type the name of your campaign. So in this case, I'm going to type CPA offer, something like this. Once that is done, you have to select the business model again. So click on it, select cost per click. Once that is done, you can see the format. You have to select it again. So click on it, select push notification. Once that is done, you can see right here you are going to select the platform, so just click on it so that you can select the platform. In this case, the offer is allowed on desktop. When you come back on CPAGrip, you can see the offer is allowed on desktop, so you are going to come back and then select desktop. So just click on it, select desktop. Once you select desktop, you are going to click on continue. Once that is done, you are going to upload the image of the offer. So just come back on CPAGrip, right click on the image. Once you right click on the image, you are going to select save image as. Once you click on that, you are going to save your image. Once you download your image, just click right here so that you can upload your image. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image and then click on open so that your image can be uploaded right here. As you can see, that has been done. So you are going to crop the image, just crop it. Once you crop it, click right here, crop. As you can see, the image has been cropped. You can see right here we have to upload another image right here. So you have to look at the size. You can see 360 pixels by 180 pixels. So what you have to do is that you have to use Canva so that you can create an image with this particular size. So the first step is that you are going to come on Google. Once you are on Google, you are going to search for Cash App. You are going to download one of these images. Once you download the images, you are going to come on Canva. Once you are on Canva, click right here, custom size. Once you click on custom size, the measurement you can see right here, you have to leave it as pixels. Once that is done, you are going to type the appropriate size right here. In this case, it's 360 by 180, so something like this. Once you enter the size, you are going to click right here, create new design. Once you click on create new design, you are going to see a page like this. So just click right here, upload, so that you can upload your image. Once you click on that, you are going to select upload files. Once you click on that, you are going to select the image that you downloaded and then click open so that your image can be uploaded right here. Once you click on upload, you can see your image has been uploaded. You can see it right here. Just click on it so that it will appear right here. Once it appears here, you have to drag it and then make it large. So just drag and make it large. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your image, you are going to click right here, share. Once you click on share, you are going to select download. Once you click on download, you are going to leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, you are going to click on download. As you can see right here, the image is downloading right now, so you have to wait for it. You can see right here the image has been downloaded. Once you download the image, you are going to click right here so that you can upload your image. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open, and you can see right now this is the image. You can see this is the image. Once that is done, you are going to enter the title of your offer right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back on CPAGrip, you can see this is the title of the offer. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see right here, this is the preview of your ad. So now the next step is that you are going to paste the body of your ad right here. So you have to come back on CPAGrip. You can see right here, this is the description of the offer. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. And you can see this is how it is going to appear to your potential visitors. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, these are templates that you can use. If you want any of these templates, you can use it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go with the default one. So just click right here, create. Once you click on create, you can see it is going to appear right here. You can see this is the preview of it. Once that is done, you are going to select right here. You can see capping. So how many times should a person get a notification of your ad in 24 hours? You can see 3 times. You can increase it, you can decrease it. In this case, I'm going to leave it with 3. So my potential visitors are going to see the ad thrice in a day. So you can see it right here. Once that is done, you can see the start date. You can see it is there. So if you want, you can enter an end date right here. I don't want to put an end date to it. I just want the ad to run. So you can leave it like that. If you want, you can enter an end date right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here geo. So you have to select the country that you are targeting. So just click on it so that you can select the appropriate country that you are targeting. In this case, you are targeting United States. So just type United States. So when you type US, you can see it right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select the cost per click. You have to choose the amount that you want to pay per every click. So just enter the amount that you want. You can enter any amount right here. In this case, I'm going to leave it with this amount right here. If you want, you can increase it. If you want, you can also decrease it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, you are going to select the devices. You can see right here, our own is desktop, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can select the operating system. The offer is allowed on all operating systems, so just leave it like that. You can see right here operating system versions. There's no restriction, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see right here browsers. There is no restriction, so you can just leave it like that. As you can see, many browsers, so just leave everything. Don't select any browser. Once that is done, you can see right here user activity, so just click on it and then select medium. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see right here, if you want to blacklist any website, you can do that. But in this case, we are not going to blacklist any website, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, daily campaign budget. How much are you going to spend per day? You can see the minimum is $10, so just enter $10 right here. If you want, you can enter any amount more than $10. You can see total campaign budget. How much are you willing to pay for the total cost of your ad? Assuming you are running for 1 month, 2 months, 1 week, how much are you willing to pay in total? In this case, I'm just going to select $100. The minimum is $30. If you want, you can select $30. You can select $50, whatever that you can afford. You have to enter the amount right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here destination link. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So just come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back on CPAGrip, you can see right here copy link. Just click on it. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here as your destination link. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can read through and then check if there is any information that you need to add. If there is nothing like that, you have to scroll down and then click right here submit, so that you can submit your ad for review. Just click on submit right here. Once you click on submit, you can see launch campaign after moderation. You have to select yes, so that when the moderator approves your ad, it will start running immediately. So just click on yes. Once you click on yes, you are going to wait so that your campaign will be approved and it's going to start running on this website. But you must first deposit money into your account so that your ad will run on this platform. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.